Did you know that only 4 U.S. states produce sugarcane? Louisiana, Florida, Hawaii, and Texas. The process from the sugarcane field to your kitchen cabinet is very complex. So today I'll inform you on the process of shipping refined sugar from warehouses to stores and factories. Shipments are ordered and scheduled for pickup. All customers order in bulk, so they usually send a big 18-wheeler truck to pick up their orders. When the truck arrives at the dock, it has to be weighed and then inspected. We use a flashlight to check the back of the truck for holes, cracks, insects, anything that would be hazardous to our product because we couldn't ship it. If the truck has anything on there, when we ship it out to our customers see ants, glass, or anything hazardous, they will ship the truck back to us and we will have to pay for the load to return and get back to those guys. So we don't want that to happen. And if the truck passes inspection, it should be ready to load. There are a couple things you will need to load the truck. First, you'll need a forklift. You'll need to inspect that forklift, checking all gauges, fluids, tire pressure, make sure it is ready and safe to run. You will also need the order ticket. The order tickets tell you everything you need to know about the order. Truck weight that we weighed when it came in, the weight that we were putting on it, the amount, the quantity, and everything you need to know about the load, including the product that is going on the truck. And once you find out the product that's going on the truck, you need to locate that in the warehouse. Finally, you'll need to load the truck and dispatch it when you're finished. It may sound simple, but loading the truck can be tricky. That's due to the weight distribution. If you have too much weight on one side, it'll make the other side off. The truck won't be able to travel on the road. DOT will stop them and give them tickets, and that'll all come back on our company. So we have to make sure that the weight is right, depending on the size of the load. Some loads will have 17 to 20 pallets on them, and we'll have to make sure that the weight is correct. After loading the truck, you will have to dispatch it. Dispatching is an even more tedious process. To me, it's the most important process of shipping the truck because every number that's on that piece of paper that Mr. Arrow have here, it has to go in the computer. Every number that's on your order ticket, it has to be correct. One typo, one mistake will cause the whole order to come back to the company, causing the company money, which we don't want to happen. Finally, after you carefully loaded the truck and carefully dispatched the truck, you release the truck from the dock, close the doors, seal it up, and take one final weight as it leaves the dock.